was okay. So we will be starting from our Shopify. Mainly in our Shopify, you will come to the products area. Now, basically, you have to work on kind of three things in posting. You have to make sure that three things are done properly. Okay. First will be feed. On Instagram now, I'll show you here. Like from each collection, you will be posting 6 products at a time in a row. Okay. It will be kind of like this. I haven't posted a lot of things, but for the overview, I think it will be enough. Like you can see, these are kind of automated postings, so we'll leave them. We'll go a little down. So here you can see that I try to post twice together. So what we will be doing is, the feed is really messed up right now. Okay, the thing you will be doing will be like you will be posting 6 toys post first, and then 6 strollers post, then 6 clothing post, then 6 frocks post. Like you will be going with six specific number. Okay, I will be doing that so you know what I'm saying. So this is the first thing we will have to take care of the feed, because in future I will be deleting all these posts. They are not good and someone just posted it on previously. Okay, this is the first thing we have to take care about. Second thing is you have to take care about the template. I already made one template which you will be using for captions and hashtags. I will share it with you on your WhatsApp, and I will also add it in here. You can see here. So this will be the posting template. Like first will be the title of the post. Okay, I'm just giving the overview. After that, I will be doing it so you can know how to do it practically. Then there will be the percentage save on that product. Then there will be the original price, which will be obviously higher than the sale price which we are selling. And if there is a product which don't have that selling price, or we are not giving any percentage off, you can just skip this first and third part. Like you can delete that for that post. Then under qualities heading, you will be adding first or 1 or 2 paragraphs of caption, or you can say description. Okay, and then below that you won't be changing this, you will be just taking this as it is. And about hashtags, I have a really good tool for Instagram, which is Systrix. I will be sharing all these details with you on your WhatsApp. Okay, so when you will write Systrix here, you will see this Instagram hashtag generator. You can also use it for your personal. It is a really good tool, and it do have a limit. So if you get that limit, you can just log into the free trial. Okay, so in this, for example, you can put some hashtags here, and then you can copy 30. So now we will be doing it practically, like stepwise, this posting stuff. So first thing you have to do is you have to come to products, and as we discussed, you will be taking one of any collection. For example, I said that I want to post strollers. Okay, so when I write strollers in the tagline, I will get all the strollers posts. So what I have to do is I have to take first 6 posts, or any 6 I like. Okay, as I told you, we have to make a feed, so we will take the good ones. Okay, so for example, I clicked on it. Obviously, if I'm posting, I need to download the pictures, and I will make sure that the pictures are HD and in good quality. I don't have to download all the pictures, right? Only the pictures which are actually explaining what the product is about. So I'll just open each media, and this I'll click on download. It takes time, but eventually it will start. So I'll go to the next product. I will make sure that there is no branding on that specific image. So I clicked on download, and we can add this picture also, as it is explaining what the product is about, right? It will take time. You can either download it from here, or you can either download these pictures from drop shipment, but not all products are from drop shipment. So I'm not downloading this picture. This is kind of useless. I don't want to know these details. They will be probably in the description, right? So these pictures are not that much appealing. This is a good one. Okay. Okay, we can download this. On social media, we cannot add more than 10 pictures. So take 4 or 5, or like if there is variation, you can take one in all colors, like one in blue, one in black kind of thing. And you will know probably what are the pictures which you think are more likely to get views. So I think these pictures are now just repeating. So, and we have enough. So once I download it, I'm not going to exit this product. I will have it in one tab, and on the other tab I will be giving you the access of this page. Okay, Facebook page. If you have used Business Manager before, when I will give you that access, you will simply click on Meta Business Suite, and you will come to Planner. So these are the 2 clicks you have to do in order to go to the Planner. It is a little confusing. Business Manager changed their dashboard every other day. So here, like today is 28. So your target is you will be scheduling products for around 30 days from 28th of June to 28th of July. Okay. So that will be your task for today. Upon how much time it takes, we will try to manage things. And let me show you, where is it? Here. So from 28th to next 28th. Okay, you will be, when you will be posting, you will get that access to. So now I'll just click on 28. And about the timing. So our product is mostly for US candidates, right? Because we are delivering in US. So they are more likely to, if I'll convert that time into Pakistani time, so it's kind of 12 hours difference, right? So like if it's 7 p.m. my time, if it's if they get available at 7 or 8 at 8 p.m., then it will be around 7 to 8 a.m. Like it will be kind of opposite for me. So for scheduling purpose, we will be doing that sometimes when you will start posting for 2 to 3 days now, Facebook will suggest you that this is the time your audience are most available. Okay. So simply you will open this dashboard. You have used this before or not?
No.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so you understand the procedure till here, right?
Yes.
If I'm going too fast, just you can stop me, because I do talk fast.
Okay.
So, yeah, so basically you will click on both of these because we want to post on Bunny and Baby Facebook and Bunny and Baby official Instagram page. Okay, so now if there are videos in the product, you can add the video here. Then you will just have to add one video. They won't allow you to add more. In products, you can add up to 10 products. You cannot add more than 10 products, so you can add minimum. So we will go here, and I'm just kind of taking all those products which we have downloaded.
Okay.
These are the products. So I will select them all. I will open it, and I will go a little down to adjust these images, because sometimes they might give you an error. Okay, so the error I'm getting, these are like they detect the product. So these black ones are all right. Down here, it's saying the aspect ratio is wrong. So this image is not that much useful. Either I can just delete it or I can edit it. For you to know how to edit it, I click on that pen icon. Okay, now it's giving me, let me just minimize that. Okay, so in the square one is not good, horizontal image is not covering up. So we will try to check this. So I don't want to apply this crop to all images, okay? Because obviously all images will be altered and they won't look good. So I will just simplify it and I will cancel it, and I will just delete this image. This is the one option. And if you get this error on more than 2 to 3 images, do you know how to use Canva?
Yes, I know.
Okay, on Canva, you can resize it. The resizing, you can check that, for example, this product is good. So it is 1200 and into 1200 pixel, right?
Okay.
So you can do it this way. Like you can adjust the size, and then you can add it here. Okay, now what we want is we want to have like you can say the first image. So which image looks good to you? Like you can say that. Okay, I think the image on first is pretty good. We can have it on the top, right? It will be kind of swipe on Instagram. So our images part is good to go. Now the second part is this text. I already told you about the description. I will be giving you the template. So I will just quickly go there and copy that, and then we will do the changing in it. Okay. Yeah, till here. I'll copy it. Firstly, I'll paste it all as it is, and then I'll start changing from the scratch. For example, first is the product title. I'll go to the product, I'll copy the title, and I'll paste the title. Okay, to check the percentage, how much percentage we are giving off, you come here, you view. When you click on view, you will get this kind of the product on our store.
Yeah.
So you can see that people are saving 38%, right?
You're
So
right.
we'll come back to our post and we will add this 26 to 38 because we are giving 38% off. And our main price is, before it was 698.37. You can either copy it. Okay. Or 698 point, what was it? 37, right? So exact number, I added it and I'll just remove these zeros. Right? So now the sale price is, it is 436.4. I'll just copy it. That is easy. Okay. Now you can see that till here it's done. Now we'll go to the qualities. In the quality section, you'll just come here. Either you can get the description from here, or you can also get it from the backend. Okay. Qualities, I'll just remove it from here till, ouch. Mouse stopped working today, so okay. Now under qualities, we will add these qualities and we won't be changing this. Okay, I'll just change this official because I will be changing the account name. So you won't have to do this because I will do it in the template. Okay, now we are coming to hashtags, right? So for hashtags, I will just simply go to the new tab. I will write Systrix, or you can also open the link I will be sending you. On the second tab, when you will click on it, now you know where product is strollers, right? So I will just write stroller, baby stroller, like kind of keywords which you think are relevant to our product, right?
Right.
Comfortable. Okay, that will be too long. We can, we want more relevant, so I will suggest you to add at least 3 keywords. They don't allow to add more, but 3 keywords which are totally relevant, and then we will just copy them. We will come to this product and we will replace the previous hashtags with the new one. Now these keywords are totally relevant to this one, and this strategy works, and you can get a lot of insights on your social accounts. You don't need to run ads to get likes and comments. After like 4 to 5 days, I will show you the insights of these postings. Okay, so now it is good to go. You will click on optimal times. Obviously you will be scheduling, this is for today. Obviously it's asking me if I want to publish it now or if I want to set a time. Okay, for time on 28th, what I want is I wanted to post in AM. Why AM? Because that will be that time in PM for USA, right? But right now that time have passed in 28th June, so I will just publish it right now. In the next post we can schedule that time, right? The timings does not matter that much, but still I will suggest you to go with the timings it is suggesting you. Okay, Like I'll tell you, on the accounts I'm working from different time, it will eventually start giving you the timeline. This is the timeline when your followers are mostly active. So now the thing you have to do is, like I posted this one. Now you will be posting this one in front of me so I can know how much time is it taking and if you are having any problem or not. So basically we have to do 30 posts, but you know that we have more than 100 to 200 products on our store, right? We have to publish them
Yeah.
all. So is it possible that you do twice post for a day?
How many products to post?
Like for example, I posted this one product for today's date, so now I post one more in 28th. I